Hey there, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to guide you through the process of changing the country on your Amazon website. It's a quick and easy process, so let's dive right in. First things first, open your web browser and go to the Amazon website. As you can see, I'm currently on Amazon.com, and it's set to the United States, which is not where I reside. To begin the process, click on the three horizontal lines located next to the Amazon logo in the top left corner of the screen. This will open up a menu. Now, scroll all the way down until you find the country option. In my case, it's currently set to the United States. Click on it to proceed. A pop-up menu will appear, showing the current country setting. Click on the current country, and a list of available countries will be displayed. Since I live in the Netherlands, I'll select it from the list. After choosing the new country, you'll see a message saying that the new country or region website will open in a new tab. Click Go to Website to confirm the change. You'll be redirected to the Amazon website of the country you selected. And there you have it. You've successfully changed your Amazon country setting. That wraps up today's tutorial on changing your Amazon country setting. If you found this information useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more tech tips and tutorials. Your support means the world to me.